I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl?
Good morning! I feel like I start all my vlogs like this, and I feel like I start all my vlogs like that. So I always start off with the good morning, and then I follow up with the I feel like I always want to do like that. Anywho, I just came from over Shanita. I was babysitting and stuff. I'll go back a little bit later, but I had to come home because I had some stuff to deal with. I'm on the gym. Never go gym yesterday. I abandoned my duties and I did not go to the gym yesterday, even though I told myself I was gonna work out. I don't know why I lied to myself like that, but I'm on the gym today. I stopped at Fontana, got some mousse. Never tried this mousse. I think the mousse that I've been using, the Lotta Body one, I don't know if it's for relaxed hair, probably for curly hair or something like that, but I saw this because I saw relaxed hair on it. It says it's enriched with avocado, wheat proteins, and jojoba oil. It's called Vigorol. It says ideal for relaxed, chemically treated hair, adds moisture and body. And I got some volume 40. This is always the volume 40 I get. I don't get the liquid one anymore. I just feel like, I don't know, this is just easier to me to use. This is what I was using. You know, someone could I get the liquid one still. I liked this for my natural hair when I was bleaching my natural hair, but I don't mind the liquid for wigs. Well, they never have none of the first one, so either way, it worked out. So I got a wig. Where is it? There are so many things on my bed and in my room, like I don't even live here. This is the wig. Don't remember the name of the company. It's a straight hair. I don't remember asking for straight hair either. 24 inches, and I wanted it to look like scalp. It's not too thick, which I like because I wanted it to look silk pressish. We cannot find my flat iron. That is actually stressing me out a lot. I only have my hot comb. I don't know my blow dryer right now. We'll probably lend it out, so I need to go find that. I bought a mini flat iron for my relaxed hair, but I might have to go use it. Also late to go to the gym because I wanted to do everything early today. I did want to go gym by 11:30, but it's already after 11 now, so I'm gonna try for reach gym 12:30 and be back by 1:30. Film a haul. I got some stuff from Shein. The things that I ordered, I finally got them. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of an unboxing later on, but I'm actually going to do a try on haul, so I'll probably do like the little mini unboxing and not really take out everything out of the back them. What time now? Waste time. I'm gonna make a shake. I have to eat before I go to the gym. Last time I go to the gym, I never eat, all because I wanted to make sure that I got to the gym. Check my car there now. And I'll probably pick you guys back up when I am going to the gym. We done with this today. I can't take the anti-wig anymore, and it start look like an anti-wig because I'm not able to comb it out. You know, it start look matted and it's giving very much wiggy. I don't like that. So yeah. Oh no, I told you guys I was going to pick you back up either when I'm at the gym or something. However, the day was very hectic. Like my day today was absolutely, it was just something else, bro. I'm tired beyond words. After I went to the gym, I went over to Shanita. Then that took a while because that baby was not in the mood. Wake up back miserable still, drop asleep again. No, well, I'm a little bit tired. I'm tired. Like, but just literally just reach home. Don't even worry about me being in my outside clothes on the bed. I'm changing the sheets. I washed some clothes today, washed some sheets today, so I'm gonna change it. I also got my package from FOF, so that's what we got. I'm gonna open it up. FOF, loved the seashell. A beach party, so that's why they did that, but I'm a seashell. Y'all know how I get about seashells. Are these tampons? Okay, so I got 2 of those. FOF fanny pack, 2 tickets. Campari, I don't drink that. Ooh, granola bar. I'm having one of these right now. So I got pumpkin spice, almond cranberry chewy granola bar, chocolate chip. And I got a new cup. Yeah, if y'all know me, y'all know I love cups. There's a lot of things on my bed right now, so just ignore that, but I'm cleaning, so yeah. Oh, I love this cup, and this is like a lanyard. Oh, what is? Mighty God. Well, FOF knows something I don't, because stay safe, be responsible. Them know how to stay when you're drunk. As soon as you're drunk, you're go home, go do things you're not supposed to be doing. Thank you, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna go. I don't know. I did say I wanted to cut off the partying, but I also did say I wasn't gonna party until Easter. And I didn't realize it's now Easter. I'm just still not in the mood. You know me, I like to plan my outfits, color coordinate my outfits. If I don't color coordinate them or buy them from Shein, but I'm gonna buy them from Kitty. I'm gonna look on her page. I'm gonna see what I really like. I mean, actually don't see much swimsuit options from her. I guess she never really care about Easter weekend this year, so she never make no swimsuit. Maybe she go wait till tomorrow. No, but today Wednesday, man. She normally would have put them out already, so she probably don't even care about this Easter. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know where I'm gonna get an outfit from. Chill. It's the next day, and I just got home. I was on the road running some errands. I had zero plans of going anywhere, but there's this party in Ochi tomorrow night called Tulum, and then Saturday is FOF and a party named Alcoholic. I don't know which one I'm gonna go to. I already have tickets for FOF. If I don't go to that, then I'll go to Alcoholics, only because my boyfriend is going. That's literally the only reason I'm going, and I'm gonna drive me back home. Yeah, so I went down to Kitty and I got 2 outfits. The doll did have to get some outfits. So this is one, of course, the cover up. Carnival is next week, and yeah, I have wax next week, so I wanted to make sure I wear stuff this week that does not show my bikini line. That's one outfit, and I got this other, just like a simple short set. And this is the top. I have one little pink slippers that I was supposed to do for promo, like pictures in it, and I don't know, because I literally cannot find an outfit to wear with it. I never know, say I don't have nothing in my closet we can wear with pink. That's why I got that, because I really want to take those pictures for her and promote her page. Oh, I just picked up a package, 2 things in there. So I go open that. Hold on. I got an SD card. I got another SD card because the one that I have, it's breaking. Literally, the one that I'm using right now, it's broken. I'm gonna want one day when I actually want it for use. I can't use it and then I don't have a choice. I have a 32 gig one, but I like having 2, and I don't need more than 64 gigs. So I got another 64 gig. Got it on Amazon. Got adapter, like, I don't know what to call it. Basically, whenever I film my camera, instead of using the app to transfer the stuff to my phone or taking out the SD card and transferring it to my laptop and editing on my laptop, because I don't always have my laptop on me, I can use my iPad. If it will just open, I can't find my scissors. I'm really not able to get up. Whew, this is so tiny. I paid $14 for this shit. It's so small. I expected it to be bigger. I thought this shit was so much bigger. It's at work. Let me tell you. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna test it, and then I'm gonna record on the new one. See if it works. First of all, I'm gonna need to make sure that's intact before I leave up. You already know where I'm going. It's Good Friday. Want to leave Kingston by 2 o'clock. Go Ochi. It's now 12:44. I'm not ready yet. I haven't packed it. At least the wig is on my head, but I still need to flat iron it. I need to do my makeup. That's pretty much it. I shaved my arm a while ago, so yeah, you can't talk to me again. Did I shave my legs? No, I did not. Absolutely not. I'm not able. So if you want to see me with my hair like them, just mind your business. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna do that, and then tomorrow, still don't know if I'm going to FOF or not, but I may go to Alcoholics, so may I try to find a slippers for that. If not, old reliable, old faithful Bridget will be it. Right now, I really need to get ready. I really don't want to be late. I also want to make sure I get a picture. I think God, I'm tired. I'm gonna eat for a morning. Oh my God.
things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the type of your conversation.
Lindo. When I don't know some for vlog, so may I do so many things at once. Alexa, off. So these are my scents. If you look over here, so just see with me. These are the scents, right? I'm picking 4. Well, to pick probably like 2. So I have floral sandalwood. Oriental oat moss is the dupe for Creed's Aventus. I have spicy orchid, which is a dupe for one of them Tom Ford one day. Floral sandalwood, I cannot remember. I can't remember which one this is for. And ambery saffron is the dupe for Baccarat Rouge, Rogue, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm going to use these 2 today. So floral sandalwood and ambery saffron, I'm going to mix those 2. I'm going to mix those 2. Don't know, you have to spray it everywhere. Mighty God. You know, so I heard that this is very unnecessary because how long do they last? But these ones last for most of the day, to be honest. Even after I take off my clothes, I still smell them. After a while, it's not as strong, but the scent is still there. Me think it lasts. It lasts a very good time. Me I did. Oh my God! So yeah, don't forget to use my code AndImShelby5 if you're ever ordering from Dossier, and you get some money off your order. Okay? Okay. Link will be in the description, and let's get into the rest of the video. Late as usual. Late as usual. So I don't want it to leave out at 3. It's at 2. It's now 3 o'clock. Guess what? It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault because me ready from about 2:30. You understand? And then the rain start fall, and then one bag of rain take. But I look. God, it's like I ate that. I ate that. Scrumdiddly yum yum. A pepper.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
People, the hairdresser opens at 8:30 and it is 8:10. But it's serious to myself. I'm not in the waiting today. I don't have the time, I don't have the patience. I want to be the first one here. I don't know if the doors are open. I'm gonna go check. But I have to go home early today because the last time I come I spent 6 hours and I decided I'm not doing that again. So this is after I got my hair done, obviously, and this is what my hair is looking like now. Today is Tuesday. I got my hair done on Saturday, and I got some packages. Let's open it up. These are the 2 packages that I got. I already know what's inside. So this is actually a bed pillow that needs to deflate. I'm gonna open that one last. I want to open this one first. So this is actually a mattress topper, and I got them both from this Amazon store called Rainmr. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it properly, but I'll put the name up on the screen. And yeah, you know, girl, want to move all the time something. I feel like this is the start. This is the start of getting some stuff, because I know some furniture and bedding and all them something, they're very expensive. So why not? Owen is Owen. Bro, I hate when Amazon does this. It's so annoying. Bro, look at this box and look at this box. I don't know about this. It comes with a little bag of memory foam, and it comes with two thank you cards that says thank you for your purchase. So that's that, and that was a task. I don't think I need 48 hours. I think 24 might be good enough, or maybe just a couple hours, because to me, since I took it out, it already seems to be, you know, fluffing up a little bit. I mean, I like a little bit weighty. It's a little bit heavy. Not gonna lie, which is fine, but I'm just tired right now. Okay, so this is the memory foam. This is the pillow itself. I will show you guys the mattress topper tomorrow when it fluffs up a little bit. But for now, I'm gonna pack this up and go lie down because I am exhausted. The fan up on the highest. So if you know I hear something in the background, it's not rain. Is my fan. In here it's hot, and I think my fan just needs to wash right now. But I have one last package to show you guys. I think it's a moisturizer, if you remember. But I bought it from my friend Tiffany. She has this skincare store called Skin Fairy. I wanted to get a moisturizer specifically for my bikini line. Ah, she gave me a little lip balm. It's like she didn't know, say I need lip balm. She's where I got all my ordinary products from, so the niacinamide and the salicylic mask, that's where I got it from. So this is another ordinary product. Initially I wanted glycolic acid, which I actually still want. I'm just waiting for her to get it because we can't bother order it online and then wait. She'll get it quicker than me, so might as well just wait for her to get it. This is called the Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. It's a surface hydration formula. I've actually never seen this product before. I was reading up a little bit about it on our website because she did a little description, and it says it helps a lot with people with dry skin. Hair is oily, but I never knew what down here was. I don't know if I have oily or dry skin down here. So we're gonna find out. The bottle is not very big, but she said a little goes a long way. I'm gonna trust her because she made me buy the niacinamide and it clear up my face. This is why my face is 95% spotless. So I trust her very much. I'm definitely gonna start using it as of tonight. So yeah, you can also message her for your consultations. A little does go a long way. I squeeze out a little bit, like the tiniest, just to smell it, and it spreads very far. The consistency is kind of thick. Yeah man, it rubs out very, yeah man, this I might have this for a while, especially since I just dare some I use it. I think all ordinary products smell the same. But yeah, that's it, and this is my new lip balm. I go use some now because I'm gonna go TJ one night and nearly lose my 3 points. Let me tell you. So what had happened was, we get 2 to-go cup. 2 cup them stuck together. Me think me a Superman, me a superhero. I try lift the cup out with my teeth, and the cup snapped my lip in between the bottom cup. I saw my lipstick in the cup, couldn't lift up, so I had to yank it out. Blood everywhere. Yeah, so my lip is recovering. You're not gonna see any scab right now, but it's still a little tender. And it smells really good. But yeah guys, that's all I have to say for today. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow when that's something that deflates and I put it on my bed. So yeah. No way, no way. I'm not gonna lie, before all of this I was like, you know, what's the sense of a mattress topper, oh my god, this makes such a huge difference. I feel like I'm lying on clouds. I'm so happy I got this now. I don't know if you guys know, but I have back problems. I'm going to get the best night's sleep. When I tell you, this is so soft, this is so soft. I tried out the pillow yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. When I showed you guys when I was unboxing and everything, I sterilized it and everything, and I slept with it last night, and when I put my head in it, it just stayed there, and it was just so comfy. It was just so comfy. I recommend anyone to get a mattress topper, especially this one. So don't walk, run. I'm gonna have the link in the description box, and if I have a coupon code or a discount code, I'm gonna put it up on the screen as well as in the description box. With or without it, I'm not gonna lie, you need to get this. You really need to get this. I'm sad that I only got one of those pillows, but I'm definitely gonna go get another one. It's so worth it. It's worth the hype. So wow, thank you guys over at Rainmr. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Or is it Rainmr? I don't think so, but thank you guys so much for sending this to me and sponsoring this portion of the video. Wow, I'm gonna take a nap. I'll see you guys later. Shoot.